We're starting to stream real quick, and I gotta get going live here on TikTok as well. And we are live on TikTok. We're live on YouTube as well. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Pretty good about the market today. So you are at YOLO Hour. Let me just say from the beginning, the legal disclaimers that you guys all love to hear. This is not financial advice. In fact, this is the opposite way that you should trade. Again, not financial advice. This you can and will lose money because I have, and I've gone to paper trading because of my losses. So there you go. Now there have been some guys that won some big money yesterday. We ended up with $55. Look, we're just trying to do this just for some beer and some pizza money. That's it, right? So let's do what we came here to do. Have a little fun, trying to bring a little Vegas to you, right? We're going to try to find some face rippers today. We're going to try to find some nice, big, green, parabolic candles. And that's what YOLO's all about. We just FOMO into stocks. Again, not the way you should trade, ever. So, because we don't know anything about it. We don't do any due diligence, no research, no nothing. But it's just a hell of a time. So let's go. All right, we got one. Beamy's going, well, Beamy has been going off all day. It's up 275. Let me be clear, up 275. Now it is good. It looks like it's been halted. You see on the screen there, but we're just going to continue to move past it, as that is a beautiful stop up 275%. Again, not hard when you're coming from 63 cents or whatever it is. All right. So looking at the macro, we are grinding up. All Dow, NASDAQ, NZD, and the S&P all grinding up. Love to see it because whatever the macro is doing is what the micro is going to be doing most of the time. WTHR grinding up 23%. It may clear the tower here and start a runner. Let's see where we're at. 176, 177. That's waiter, and it will move. WATR, we're going to jump into that one. WAITR, is that what it is? Waiter? Yeah, that's it. Boom. 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 We'll go 50. I'll do a little 50 shares there. Knock it out. See where we are. That's the waiter. It's at 175. It just went sideways. Now it's going down. But we're going to give it some time because it's been up all day and still grinding up. MLI doing its thing. Mueller Industries, it's gone off before. Last week, in fact. STSA was my pick today, up 360. Was up 16% though. That was my last night, my pick from the insiders. If you do follow us, you know that one thing I am good at is picking the insider stocks. The ones to watch went up 16. We had one go 1%, one go 4% today. So the one that went 16% though, it jumped to 7 real quick, but then it grinded a little bit and then it started to sell off. So just so you know, that was STSA. You just saw it there. All right, Napa is turning, and APA is turning over and directionally bullish now, and IONQ same thing, still up 3%. TWKS straight down. That thing's about to go. It's 4% up, but it looks like it could go negative before the end of YOLO Hour. ELVT was already negative, now down 5.5 and pointed straight down like it just fell off a cliff. And it's not doing flips. I'm telling you, it's going straight down. No parachute. As we move through VRCA, grinding up. Don't see that it could develop into a rocket. We will continue to follow that stock, is what I like to say. Till people get on here. Nice to see you, TikTok. What's up? Again, trying to find the face rippers. Here's some grinders. CME's grinding again. Oh, well, it's only up 120 or 1.2%. BGI up 10%. Still grinding. That one could turn into a rocket. We will see. We are seeing some sell-offs. But there are a number of grinders. When you have 600 stocks you go through, you're going to see both. That's just the way it's going to be. CIO, you can call it a grinder, but it's only got about 1.5% today. Down. Fubo's down. Cost is down. We saw cost go 36 plus last week. Let's see. RLYB, it likes to go off. It likes to, spread its wings a little bit. It likes to rip. Maybe today. It's up 4, but it looks like it's just holding gains, not really looking to climb much. TNXP is holding gains at 2%. IMV, we saw it yesterday go ballistic. Literally parabolic. IMV's grind up, just went positive. 90, well, 1%. 1% up is all. And DNAY, it is a runner, but it's a grinder. It's a 5%. Looks like it could be turning over. So if you're in that stock, you may want to get out. As we move through here, seeing some, oh, look at that. OEG. Now we know it's an energy company. It's about all we know. It was up probably 4 or 5% and hit the deck. Did a little basing there, and intraday basing now up about 1% now, and we will continue to follow that one. Look at DNUT. Now that's Krispy Kreme. Looks like it could go parabolic. Has not cleared the tower. Did not clear the tower. So that's Krispy Kreme. We've seen it go parabolic a couple times in the past 2 months. I think it went public about 90 days ago is what I remember. All right, let me get down here. I'm going to rip your face off, or I'm going to make the eyes bleed. Just get down here because I do not want to miss. There was donuts, so this is where we were. There is some red on the screen. G-Box, what's up? 12% up. Probably had some good news today. It is grinding, and it could turn into a rocket. 1 week we could follow. B-Cell, same way. Now, B-Cell did this exact same thing yesterday. It grinded for a while. I don't remember it turning into a ripper or a parabolic stock, but 4%, two days in a row is not a bad stock, especially on a day that the stocks started off strong, sold off, and now we're grinding back up. HGEN up 7.5. What's up? HGEN, that actually may turn to a rocket. It looks like it's at $7, so it's just over a penny stock. A penny is now at 7. I think pennies are now anything under $7. A true penny was under 1, literally about 10 years ago. So we've really moved that target up quite a bit when we say penny stock, right? Look at this bad boy. Did I just see something that wanted to run? No, I did not. I thought I saw a stem wanting to run. It is up 9% and protecting gains, so that's nice to see. Verb could be a winner, could be a runner as well. Well, it's already a winner. I've got a position in HUT that I took on Robin. I don't know why. What is this one? OIIM up 0.5%. Just cleared the tower. Needs to clear a little more before I'm gonna call it a rocket or a ripper rocket. Let's see what else is anything else ripping. All right, so we're at the bottom. Let's move up. We usually catch these things about what's up. SEAH. I'm jumping on at Sports Entertainment Group. Ripping. Let's go. SEH. I like it too. SEAH. And I need to boom. I'm not going balls deep. Waiter. So just so you know, I got in Waiter. It was grinding, and of course, as soon as I got in, boom, we got a decent fill on SEAH. What's up, Jeff Klein? Good to see you here, brother. Waiter is not doing me right. Let me close that. Actually, I did not reset this damn thing. Son of a bad. Let me reset. Boom. Get back to it. We're gonna reset again. SEH. Buy 50. Let's go. Now give me something. Let me give me a good fill there, and then we'll rock and roll. Still got a good fill. Sports Entertainment. Let me go back and add that one to the watch list as it grows ever so close to. Oh, we're over 600 stocks now. Just so we all know, my options this morning were printing. I mean, literally printing. And then we had the unbelievable sell-off. Looking at Bimmy. Bimmy has done a pivot in the pullback, which you knew it would at 220% up. Who's not wanting to take profits? I mean, you're at 3x, right? Or we're at 3. Well, no, we're at 3x. Still are at 3x, but now looks to be headed down in the drawdown. All right. Looking at this, it should be easy to find some rippers in here and some rockets. Looking for something going parabolic, anything that's going to make the turn. SPSC still grinding up 1%, going to 2. FCUV could be a ripper. It's up on 1%. PMPC up 10%, holding gains, but now it's turned directionally bearish. You may want to watch that one. GANX, same thing. BRCA, we just looked at it, and doesn't know which way it wants to go, but it is protecting gains. Look at this one. SNSE, let's go. SNSE, we know it can run. SNSE, biotherapeutic stock, 100. Here we go. Let's get a good feel. Let's knock it out. I don't see enough volume here. What now? What in the world? What the volume's going on? Let's see if we get a good fill there. SNSE. It's still moving. 26K. It's not going to move very fast. Gosh almighty. I thought it had more volume in that. For some reason, I remember that one. Maybe it's SENS that has the volume. That's got to be it, because I thought that one had some serious volume. 26,000 shares a day is nothing, especially in this retail market. DNAY, let's go. DNAY is moving. DNAY. That's another, I believe that is another biotech, if you would. Now, why is it not showing that it didn't clear the tower? It's showing me, God, the volume, it sucks too. What is going on with the volume today? Jeez. This is, what am I on some, where's the intraday chart? Let me get the intraday. So let's go here. Let's go. All right. There we are. Let's go. All right. Now we're back at the side. That one's just not going to move much. It just doesn't have the volume to move, Jeff. So we're going to rip down through here, make the eyes bleed, get down here to the bottom, see if we can find these parabolic wood. You know that these stocks that have gone green, real green though. What was that one? No, NSPR already pumped. IPWR already pumped. Now, again, Krispy Kreme about to go off. Just set your clock by it. Maybe 10. Now look at that one. G-Box. Again, we said this one too. Hell of a climb the last 2 hours, but not a rocket. And that is not what we like to see. Well, we like to see the grinder, but something like that looks like it could turn over and people are taking profits. Who would not blame them being in G-Box, because G-Box has done nothing the past month from what I can recall. It certainly hadn't pumped much in a good month. So there's HRTX. You know what that is? I believe that's Hertz, right? No, that's the biotherapeutics company. Hertz is. I don't think Hertz is off the OTC yet. It's got to clear the bankruptcy. It's got a lot of things going. TRKA halted. Well, a halt's a bad thing, but woo! That took off like a shot. Now let's look at the volume on this bad boy. Now see, that's got the 199 volume. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's see. I'm gonna jump in this. I think it may still run but was it TRKA? TRKA. Boom. Let's go. It's not gonna really move. It's just gonna go 10 to start. Look at that big green candle. Good Lord, that's what you like to see. What you don't like to see is SEH going hey player, you're going the wrong way, and you're in sports. Let's talk some sports. So we're down 2. That's okay. We've been in worse places. 13 minutes in. STSA grinding up. WTAHR grinding up, which is already up 24%. Still grinding. Congratulations to the Bulls in that one for sure. Don't even know what that stock is though. Let's just continue to move through here. Get towards the bottom. NRXP now cleared. Gone green, up 2% now. Nice to see. People are staying long in a lot of these stocks. We're real close to entering November, which is the start of the stock season. It's also the start of what I believe is the crypto season, but what season is not crypto seasons now? So, hey, Jeff, I did add TRKA, so we'll be able to see it at the bottom when we get down there to see what the halts. I'm sure the halt affected it, though. That's the problem, right? The problem is the halt always. So we'll get a dip, and then people catch it. Oh, OIIM. We're on it. Boom. Let's run. Let's go. Give us something good here. Give me 100. I'm not going balls deep. I'm not stupid in that one. We're down 9. Danae has completely turned over on the 2-minute, and it is not on. Man, these rockets are not lasting, and I can't get a feel if TRK is what you're trying. WTHR or RH, excuse me. Waiter Holdings, we were just on them. It is trying. I'm gonna give it a little bit. Let's give it a little bit more juice. We're down 9. We're just down 9 is all. We need to find that magic today. The magic we typically find towards about the middle of session. Occasionally we'll what was that one? I'm telling you, this thing's gonna run. Dang, it wants to run. Do I get in now? It's got decent volume. It looks like the pivot and the pullback though, so I cannot do that to myself today. I got to remain at least a little bit disciplined, right? By the way, what is spouting off right now? IINN, BIMI, my SZ, and MedX, which I don't even know if I've got them on my list or not. Let's see the fills. TRKA is up, still grinding, nice. We'll add to that position. By the way, we'll add because it's still pumping. We'll add that position. We should clear a lot there if we can get a good fill here. If we can get a good now, that's something you don't see, Jeff. Is you don't see when after a halt it comes out of the halt going full force up still, right? I mean, literally it's up 33, 34%, 32%. It looks like the bears are pulling it back down a little bit. People taking pride. There we go. We're up 11. We just cleared everything else. Why is Danae not getting out of my P&L? Brother, you done. Thank you for your service. Waiter, we're going to wait that one out. TRKA needs to give me a good, come on, just keep pushing. I'm going to keep holding on to that one. I'm going to keep pushing down here. Good call on the waiter, and great call on the TRKA. Let's just see if that push can last. Looking at more rockets now. Some more face rippers, if you would. There's Donut. Is it? Gosh dang it! Turn, man. That thing is. That's like the 4th head fake from Donut. Speaking of donuts, I could use one right now. Need a little sugar in my step. Hit the lunch, then hit the gym a little bit for like the 45-minute workout where you don't, take a break. Let me tell you, that's a rough workout. I usually like to take my time and do a little socializing. Get a little soch. All right, LCI not doing much grinding. Looking at many things. What are we turning over? Ooh, no, we still grinding hard. Let's look at the P&L real quick. We have I'm short Danae, which I just need. Can you just get me out of that? 56 up. What's up, TRK? Now the thing about this one is, Cincy, I'm going to jump out of it. Don't need you. Appreciate the non-contribution. OIIM. Don't know. It just doesn't have the volume. These non-volumes I need to get rid of because they screw me over. All right, 56. Now what I could do is I need to sell a few. What am I up? I need to sell. Let's call it 80. I'm going to sell 80. And get out of that. Take some profits here. Get positive so I can get a little crazy. That's what we're doing. TRKA halted up. It got halted again? Damn it. That thing is that's why I can't get out. No wonder. That makes a lot of sense. All right. I should be getting out of those stocks. All right. There's got to be some more rockets going on. USWS wants to run, but it has not cleared. It has not gone green yet. So not just not cleared. It has not gone green. ACB will absolutely run. We've seen it run. Verb looks like it wants to rip off a face, but is undecided when. Needed to look through here. OOIM has gone the wrong way, so we're glad we got out of that one. Hopefully we got, look at, that's TRKA. SEH, it really did go the wrong way. It did the pivot and the drawdown. We could have gone short and earn some money on that one. AEZS, what kind of volume we got? Enough. AEZS, let's go AEZS. Let's get in there. AEZS. I'm wasting time here, people. Let's go. Buy. Give me. I'm not going balls deep, but I'm going deep. I don't know what Waiter's gonna do. Let me see if I can get a good fill here. S and SE should be getting out. AEZS is a true penny. Clearly it's 68 cents. Let me get back down there real quick because that was going to pop off. And I bet it pops off about 2% and then goes the wrong way. And I'm not balls deep though. What would you call that? It's kind of like, just the tip. That's what I call it. Just the tip. So we're just doing the tip on the true penny stock until it really starts to run, and then we'll add to the winners, which is actually a fairly good trading strategy, right? You add to your winners, you hear that all the time, yada yada yada. But when you're trading like this, you damn straight you add to the winners, because look at what TRKA did. It's not even moving yet. We're up 22% in that. Waiter, we're up a little bit. I have not got the fill in AEZ. Well, I did get a fill. Why can I not get out of these stocks? Get off my P&L. I want to say balance sheet. Get off my BS. Nope. Get off my P&L. Verb, same thing. Play. You know what? I'm about to call him DOA or player down. Man, I feel like I'm going through a ton of stocks and just. I guess there's a lot more red, a lot more sell-off. No, there's one that wants to USWS. We keep talking about let it get to green and rip it will. We're not seeing anything just go well, we said a couple go parabolic. I can't say that we hadn't seen anything, but TRKA needs to come out of its shell. AEZS. What are you doing? You got a ton of volume behind you, and you're just sitting there. Come on, honey. I need Elon to pump that thing. He needs to pump that stock. Mom, Elon's pumping crypto again. What's up? Mom, can you tell Elon to jump? Oh, NUWE. We have volume NUWE. NUWE. Boom. I'll jump on that one. It doesn't have like phenomenal volume, but it's got more than most. So I'm still up there. It did take me down to 30 shares. I'm going to wait 30 shares as well. I cannot get out of SNSE for some reason. Got a great feel on NUE with the 50. AEZS has got 100 shares, so I could easily. It's just $61 though. So really, the one that's really good, can really run here. TRK. The worst it could hurt us is $10. Waiter is just what up? What up, playa? I didn't know you were just gonna explode like that. That's nice to see. Should I? What's the 1 minute chart showing? It's got. I'm just gonna stay with it. We're at 53. Feeling good about my pizzas right now and the beer. Beer of the day, Pearl. If you hadn't heard of Pearl, you hadn't lived. AXDX. Watch out. Watch out right here. Now this son of a gun, we've seen it go before, and it needs to. It's not only got to go green, which is green now, right? It's even. It's got to clear the tower. We'll come back to it very, very quickly here. That's the waiter. Still, and then it's got to pop the 2, and it's not going to pop the 2. I bet the psychological barrier of the 2 is holding it back. AEZS just went the wrong way. We've got to get out of that one. Plus, I don't trust that stock. I don't really trust a lot of pennies. Let's just say that. Just not a fan, especially when I've got 100 shares of it. Nui. That's what I'll call it. It's got 2 minutes. I don't know. We're going the wrong way with that one. Waiter's doing me good. I should have just added to that one. I don't know why this is not closed. The order does not have the volume mark. All right. NUWE, I believe, has gone the wrong way. And I got 50 shares of it. We'll maintain $44 and keep on moving. Here we go. What did I just see? AEZS. No, that's the one that has literally did the pivot. Semi pullback. But now we're Napa moving quickly, protecting gains. Messages are not lighting up today. PMCB going up. Here we go. PMCB. We're on that fast moving escalator. Got a fill. Troya looks like it's coming off the pump. I'm gonna take it all off the table. Thank you very much for your contribution. Thank you, Jeff Klein. What's up? Waiter is still doing its thing. Maybe I should add to it a little bit. I'll buy about 10 more, about 50. No, that's about 50. What's 50 gonna do for me here? All right, let's go. Damn it, PMCB, which I think I put the wrong. Yeah, the fill was horrible, and I got 100, and I'm not liking that at all. So what's the 1 minute doing here, real quick? It's going down. Gosh dang it! Just got in at the wrong time. Close out. We're done. Non-contributor. It's a grinder. It's not a rocket though. All right. What was the one that we were going to look at again? Millie's not doing terrible. Bimmy's definitely going the wrong way. Waiter doing its thing. Kind of head faked us a little bit. I bet Jeff Klein's still in Waiter though. I know how he likes to play. He likes to play the 2 or 3 stocks. Really stick with them or stick them out. So PLNT's grinding up still. CIO grinding hard. Almost up 2. Came from way back though. Rally Bio up 5. Nice to see. What's going on with 1? We need to find out what's going on. By the way, the crypto Harmony, ONE, I'd get long in it. Because, all right, IMV, we saw it yesterday. Oh, we got turned back. What's up? It's a weird chart too. Like the volume is like just like the stock is sick. There's no volume, right? It's like the blood is leaving the body. There's nothing you can do. I can't multitask. And that's good. You focus on the 3 traded stocks that you like: TRK, today WTH, RRH, and watch those moves closely. Whereas I just like to jump. I just like to jump the rockets. So speaking of that, let me go with my P&L real quick. Waiter's up 18 has made a hell of a contribution. I went more into Waiter because it has been a big meme stock before. Like that's a legit meme stock, right? I'd call it a top 20er though. It's not a GME or AMC. It's not even a DWAC yet. Now Verb is resolved up. Here we go. Now Verb wants to run. Now Verb has head faked me many times in YOLO. So we're just gonna go the tip. Just gonna do the tip here. As Waiter begins to print, my short in cents is printed 5. I just want out. Close the order. I'm not here to short stocks. I'm here to go to YOLO. I may take profits on Waiter here because I went big, and I'm good. I'm good with 60, right? I'll probably get out up more than that, which is good. Verbal kick in. Let's see what Verb's going to do for me. No, again, Verb's done the proverbial head fake many times, and just something that you learn in the YOLO. What stocks to trust, what stocks to not. Typically, it's the bigger volume stocks that will pump the 4, 5, 6, 7, sometimes 10 plus, right? Like YVR. Now, so we've seen it pump before. It does have volume, so it will pump. YVR wants to go. We want to go with it. We're going to go balls deep. Watch out. This is a big, big stock for us right here. It just turned back. Son of a gun. On $1.69 got turned back. YVR. We're going to get a stupid fill. Like legit stupid. Like not a good fill. Like, that's not going to be good. It does have a green count. Maybe it was just a pivot, a pull, but maybe it was just, taking a breather. Let's just hope that was. We got a good fill at 750. What's up? Let me look at the 1 minute on this sucker. Yeah. Take me home, brother. I'm with you, Liquid. Now, we've seen him run before. He has done some head fakes. Actually, he's been fairly good to us. If I had to make a real decision, YVR has been really, not really, but it's been more good than bad to us when it pumps, right? It's typically not the head fake after 1%, although you got to watch it. IMV is going side. Well, it's in pivot mode right now. Where's my ripping? I need some rippers. I need some rockets. I need some parabolic green wood. That's what I'm looking for. Uncy does not have the volume. Although it's just slow. I can't bring myself to it. Let's rip through here and make the eyes bleed as we roll through here pretty quick. Nui, N-U-W-E, is still, it looks parabolic again. It's just stuck that way because it doesn't have the volume. Speaking of that, look at my P&L. Feeling pretty good. Verb, we got a decent fill. And Liquid's holding. Liquid media, YVR. If you're playing at home, we're up 78. We'll buy 5 pieces a day. What's up? Uncy. Uncy. That's an old song. And I believe it was called Uncy. All right. Pearls. Pearls is the beer of the day. If you ever drink Pearls, I'll give you a hat. Because I don't think Gen Z's had it. Millennials may have had it through your, probably your pops or, your deadbeat uncle. Or, you might have met a guy on the side of the road and then, or you might have gone to a fraternal party, if you would, fraternity party and got that, look out. Got that beer. You just didn't know what the hell you were drinking. That's the thing. Now, I'm balls deep in Liquid. And Liquid's treating me well. Let's see what the one... It needs to break it. It wants to pivot some here. And it just did. I knew it was going to pivot. That's $5 down. And we're going to take it. We're going to say thank you. And move right along. The Verb is just going sideways. Now, it could be taking a breather. Probably not for the 50 cents that I gained. It's been taking a breather all damn day, it looks like. Look at that. Come on. What's the 1 minute? Why is this thing not moving? It's consolidating. What did you make a 4% move and you got to consolidate now? I'm gonna get out of that one. It's not ripping. It's got that's a nice stock right now. It's a nice stock in YOLO. Whatever. What's up, AXLA? What's up? Excella Health. Oh yeah. Now see, this is the one. It got halted. Has crap volume, but see, on the way up, they should not. This is what I'm talking about. If it's coming down hard, I agree with the halt. But if it's on its way up and in price discovery, let the mofo run. What's wrong with it? Now, the problem with this one is it's on our radar, but I don't know if I can really run with it, though. I'm looking at what's moving on Bloomberg, and we got energy, healthcare, real estate, materials. I'm not seeing a whole lot of tech. So the tech boys are down, which is what we mostly have right here, are the tech growth stocks. A lot of people like to call the tech the growth stocks, which clearly that they are. What's up, Jared Flynn? Good to see you, brother. Nice to have you here. We are up, just so you know, I'm upset at $73. And we're just halfway through. I'm looking for a, oh, look at you coming with some gifts. ITRM. Oh, it's up 33. It's got its volume. ITRM. Let's go. ITRM. Let's go. I'm gonna do just a tip, just to start with. See what we got here. You know what? I just bought more verb. Gosh dang it. ITRM. He comes bearing gifts, and yet I can't even execute. Let's go just a tip here. We'll get a verb. Verb was going the wrong way. We'll just close it. Close it. All right. Let me get that fill in ITRM because I feel it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got that. I'm gonna add that one too. We're at 606. 606. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. I feel it. I'm feeling good about myself today. Usually I'm about down this time, but I'm using some principles today. ITR, we got a good fill, and I'm seeing some red candles now, but let me see on the 1 minute, looking good. The 3 minutes got the red candles. Well, we'll see what it does here, and I actually may add to that position because it came from Jared Klein. He came bearing gifts. Love it. Look at USO just holding. It is holding the gains today. That's a crude stock. If you did not know, crude. By the way, I don't even know what crude's doing today. We are, looks like we might be turning over. Let me look at futures real quick. Crude is 84, needs to go to 86. I thought it would hit 86. It hit 86 this morning for a nanosecond. And, this is what we got. So, PMCB, no. SQBQGC, no. That's that. What is that the Canadian stock? BGI up 10%, holding gains, still grinding. What's up? What's this thing ask me if you like? It's so funny. This chat, guys. It said like if you use a bad word, like do you want to show this? I'm sure it's a setting that I've got, but it's funny though. Do you want to show that I keep losing my ass, bro? I've used the F word on here probably 4 times today. Let's see if Planet Fitness wants to clear the tower. Clearly, it doesn't have the greatest volume. Let's go. 8016. It's not there yet. I'm gonna make your eyes bleed right now. Literally, I'm not even looking. I'm just gonna close my eyes because it's gonna hurt so bad. But we gotta get down here. RNAS. We've seen it before. RNAS. Here we go. It's literally every day that we see RNAS go off. It just doesn't. We're just gonna go just a tip here. Just a tip. ITRM. We're up 40 with just a tip with 50 shares. We could add to that actually, but it looks like on the 1 minute, yeah, it may be falling. Let's see what we get on the fill. It's just $35. So it's such a. I should have gone 1,000 shares. Is what I should have done. This one doesn't have a lot of volume today either. It's just gonna. It's gonna look like a spike. It's gonna stay there. Got to get better at trading. You and me both, brother. You and me both. Actually, what's funny is now it's rare, but I'll make more in YOLO than I will throughout the day. It's usually the options though. All right, RNAS. Let's see what you got. RNAS sounds like ENAS, which was my grandmother's best friend. And when I say my grandmother, born in the 30s. So yeah, that's an older name. VEG. What's up, Kimberly? VEG. I like when you come bearing gifts. If I could type correctly, I'm not getting that one. VEGC. Let me see if Webull. It might be on the VEGC. No, that is on the OTC market, and I cannot trade that right now. RNAS. Look at that. What a complete a-hole. Just straight. Look at that. That's unbelievable. Well, that's why you go with just a tip on the RNAS. So it is what it is. What am I up? Am I still even up? 63? I'll take it. Next is grinding up 4%. Looking for those a little bit more rockets. What's up, Dean Rivers? Yo. Party. We were doing the beer of the day, and the beer of the day is pearls. So let me know if you've ever had a Pearl beer. It will take you back a little ways. Some of those old country songs will talk about Pearl beer, right? I don't even think it's being made now, right? Tomorrow's going to be Schlitz malt liquor, but right now it's Pearl. I bet you had Pearl. If you grew up in the 90s, possibly the early aughts, you may have had Pearl. So, ITRM looks like it's still grinding up. AXLA has done the pivot and the pullback. TRKA, same thing. Still up 43% though. Not a bad look. SEA was the sports marketing, and it literally is lost. Player, you need to find a direction and run the right way. VGFC. Let's see what VGFC can give us. The very good food company. It's got to clear the tower first. Good call. What kind of volume we got? Oh, it's got great volume. It has done the pivot and the pullback. It needs to clear 170 though. It got to it got close, 167. So just a little late on that one. But hey, that's you know what? I like where your head's at though. I like where your head's at. You know, I especially love when you introduce yourself with just a ticker. That's the greatest gift of all. It's like Christmas in October. It really is. All right, SLI doing good today. It's up 7. Now, you know what SLI is? That's my favorite lithium stock, just so you know. If you didn't know from yesterday, now you do. We need some nice wood, some nice parabolic wood here, guys. Need that big, green, solid, 2-minute candle, 3-minute. I'll go a 1-minute candle right now if we can find it. Looking through here, what? Arnaz, you're not head faking me again. I'm not doing it. I'm not going to do it. I can't do it to myself, right? It would be wrong on so many levels to jump back into bed with you because you have done me wrong so many times. Look at YVR did the pivot and the pullback hard. It may even go negative. So bad. Hey, Kimberly, don't even worry about it, man. That's why we're here. That's why we're here. That's why we do what we do. We can and will lose money. And we lose a lot of money sometimes. ITRM, I think that is what is called turning over. Again, I'd have a big exposure to it. I just put the tip in. That's it. There's no other way to explain it. So closed out the position. Now I'm empty. I got 0 rounds in the chamber. We need to reload here. Figure out what we're gonna do here. Moving down fairly quickly here. HGen grinding. We've got some grinders. The macro, yes, I'm going to call it sideways. I'm not going to call it grinding anymore, but it was grinding. Not anymore. It is going sideways, and which is what, SR is going straight down. PT is going straight down. PIRS is just lost like a young boy in the forest. There's no idea which way, how to read the compass. Which way is north, Pod? That's what you need to find. North. We're down here at the bottom. Looks like TRKA may try to make another run. I'll go back up the top with it. It's been halted again. Go figure. That's our SEC. Actually, that's probably the NASDAQ triggering that. But I'm sure that rule was put in place by the SEC. Hey, we don't want you to make too much money off a face ripper, but when it comes down, at least we'll save you there. So just burns you up. PMCB wanted to run, is now turned back, but it's still up 15%. That's a good one. It's been a good stock. So SQBGQ, yeah. You know what that sounds like, is up 13%, but it's turned back and directionally bearish hard. Could be in a drawdown there. BGI up 10% and grinding. Nice. PLNT, that's the one that wanted to run, was turned away at the tower, and I'm glad we didn't get in because it is it's in a pivot mode or mood. Look at CNC. Now we got to go with it, right? I mean, we had CNC yesterday, right? Now CNC is a little bit the bid. Let's go 50. We're gonna just put the tip in a little bit. Just gonna play that little just a tip game for a little bit, and then we might go balls deep. We'll see. All right, let's get down through here. Down the stretch we come. We are 45 minutes into the session. We have 50 minutes of the session left. We're up 64, or I believe it's $64. Feeling good about that. Couple pizzas. Certainly the Pearl beer. I want to say Pearl beer was a Texas beer. No, it was a Milwaukee beer. That's exactly what it was. And I bet you every one of you on here, either your dad or your grandpa had some Pearl beer. Guaranteed, right? We had Pearl beer. I think we had Pearl beer in like a couple of, maybe, because it's just so cheap. We had it in the kegs. So really quick, if you want to get long on some cryptos, here's the cryptos to get long in. Cosmos, ATOM is the ticker. Algorand. One is my winner right now. ONE, just get long. Get long, stay long. Those are all ripping right now. The calls yesterday were STSA, which went up 5%. TCBI went up 1%. And ADMA was up at 1.16%. So congratulations to me. Although those most of those came out. They opened up, so you really couldn't. There really wasn't a lot of chance to get, the beta that we were looking for there. But still, good calls in the end. All right, Webull, what do you got? CNC's down, of course, and I'm $3,000 in. Come on, partner, come on. This is when you decide to go sideways. I can't play with you. Literally, even. I mean, you got me I'm $3,000 into that trade. I'm already done with it. CNC did the same thing to us yesterday. I want to say that we lost like $19 on CNC. I don't even know what CNC is. Somebody look that up. You know what? I might just exclude it from this list, along with the low volume BS that I keep getting. They says it wants to rip, but never really does want to rip because it doesn't have the volume to rip. So, yeah, that's on me. All right, so now we are, again, our MGTX. Now, we know what kind of, yeah, this one's run before. This is the biotech as well. Biotechs can run, so there's a catalyst behind this one. We need to clear 2192. We're at 2190. And I don't see it really moving hard. If you guys see MGTX, let me know, because I'd like to run with it. I'd like to saddle it up and ride the rocket along with the other FOMOers. Sorry that PM is not here. Although here's what we found out. So the software that is used to find the rockets. It's an AI software, so it's about $118 a month. I believe you can get it for like $2,000 for the year. It ain't cheap. So what it does is I did a little bit of research, but it's a bot. It's an AI bot. Of course, everything's AI now, right? So it's called Trade Ideas if you want to look at it, and it does have a switch in there that lets you know when things are basically taken off, right? And so there's a YouTuber. He didn't do it like a YOLO. He just basically, I'm not sure what he is. I haven't found him yet. PM needs to give me the YouTube channel, but I'm guessing that he's just trading, and he just happens to go into the last hour, and that's just kind of one of the things that he sees is when something starts to really climb fast, right? It's got to be a trigger in there. ITRM is now directly sideways. TRK, let me get back in. Why not? TRKA, right? Yep. And we'll go, how big is that one? We'll go balls deep on that one. We got 500 shares. We're gonna empty the chamber. We're at $65 up. I'm feeling good about today. Not feeling good about the stoppage. There's no, okay, again, it did not get stopped out yet. 307, just keep climbing. We're at 67%. Congratulations, because I know Jeff Klein's still in that stock. He's been watching that stock like a hawk. He first let me know about that literally about 10 minutes in. So I'm sure he's still in it. Jeff, let me know what you come out with, because I guarantee it's like 150, 200. Hopefully you clear the 500 mark. BGI grinding still. It's easy to spot rockets in a environment like this, because you know why? There's not a whole lot of RNAS. I'm not doing it. You're at 4%. I'm just not. I'm not going there. You're like the bad ex girlfriend, you know, that you like a lot, but you know it's just wrong, and you know it's not going to go anywhere, and you know it's just it might just be a thing. And clearly our thing has been very, very short-lived every time that we've gotten back together. LCI wants to run. Now, LCI, decent volume today. Let's see what it's got though. LCI. I'll strap myself that rocket. Go balls deep. It's a $2 stock. TRKA is still just killer. I went 1,500, not shares, but 1,500 deep. I'm about 37 more. Now we're up above 100. Now we're getting red signals. I'm getting out. I'll take my 37 plus up 100 pizzas for everybody. I got out, but LCI should kick in here fairly quickly. Now, it's not going to have the volume that TRK has, but where is Jeff Klein? Jeff Klein, give me an update on your status or your profiteer status as we move through here, as we continue to go. I feel like I can move it through. When it's days like this, you can move through much faster, find the rockets far faster than what we'll usually do. PMs uses that trade idea AI bot, which again, you're paying for the bot. You're not paying for the, like, that's why it's called trading ideas. Here's what you might do to make some money, right? You might follow this stock here because the relative strength just went off the chart because it's pumping up, coming up for breath, 100 up. Nice, brother. Good to see. Was it the ITRM? Was it the TRKA? What was it? Now you're up 300. Nice. Did I get out with something? No, I got a bad fill in LCI. It's what I got. And I'm balls deep in that SOB. That thing took me down that much. This is the 1 minute. Well, look at the wrong chart. That will happen. All right. Up 85. Still feeling good about the day, no doubt. Feeling bad about the 15 bucks I just lost. Could pay for that Pearl beer, you know. TRK is well, yeah. Oh, TRK, yeah. That's the one. Yeah. You just that's what I should have done. Just gone balls deep. TRK said, "Hey, we're gonna move with you." So we did. I think TRK was like literally like 75 bucks of what I did today for sure. So I could for sure see how you get to 300. Congrats, bro. That's awesome. It's very, very, very dope. A hella day, in fact, compared to my day for sure. All right, where's that nice green wood we were looking for? Got to find that magic again. Need to find the magic. RNAS, get it out of my face. Oh my God. Leave me alone. Rally Bio up 6% now, back from the dead. Love the rally. Which is kind of what we had today in the market, right? Kinda. It's been a weird day, man. It finally finds a bottom and a basis, and then just kind of goes up a little bit. LCI, that was a short-lived relationship. No thanks to your fill of crap, $5. And I'm down. Right, let me see what else we got here. Great day, thanks. Yeah, it's been a good day, Kim. Really has, man. Really has. Appreciate you being here, and we still got 6 minutes in the show. So 6 minutes, we're going to pop it off here. I'm going to do the double up to catch up here. So we're going to go balls deep. We're done with just a tip. So we just want serious runners here. What is that stock doing? Look at that stock. SHPW was probably up 40%. It's holding gains at 10% up. Stag, which by the way, that's a beer as well. Stag beer. It's an IPA. Directionally bearish if you're in that stock. BMI was up 240. It's now up 200%. So be apprised of that. You may want to, I don't know, take some money off the table, especially when you're up 3x. What was that little? Oh, that's SQBGQ. Wow, that's a lot freaking letters. I think it's Canadian. Just so you know, they're a little bit strange up there. Nice people though, nice people, but a little strange. We look at the hood. The hood wants to run, and the hood is a verified meme stock. All right, we get the fill 100 here. So that's pretty deep. That's pretty deep. We just went in there. Let's see what it comes at. It's a $3,900 fill. This is the biggest that we've gone. It could absolutely wipe us out. The hood, which I'm sure it wiped out a lot of people in January. So we did get a good fill. Looking at the 2 minute looks good. The 1 minute looks even better. Keep pumping, bro. Keep it pumping. Keep pumping. Let's go. Hood is moving, boys and girls. It's up to. We need to get to about 3%, and I'll jump out. 267, 259, 268, 272. Let's go. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Pump it out. Pump it out. You want to go higher. Everybody join in. We got serious volume. What is the volume? 7.6 million shares today. About to hit the 3%. Go 3% up. There's a 3% at 40. We just passed 40. That's a big number too. We're at 26, and this when we get up to 100. Let me look at the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart looks good. The 2 minute chart's still moving. We're up 26. I need $1 more, and I'm out. And there it is. Boom. We're out. Boom. Take my 100 and go home. Take my 107 and go home. LCI. I'm short you, but I need to get out from underneath you to not screw up my phenomenal day. Jeff, I get it. I should have stayed in. So now I'm missing out on 0.1% right now. So right at what we get out right above 40. So and now it's coming back down. Bam. I like the way that happened. If that's pumping, I bet a lot of things. We get some green, some red. Damn. NASDAQ even. S&P barely up, still in record territory, by the way. Just if you guys want to know. By the way, I'm down 196 in my options. I was printing this. I was up 151. Damn it. It's good though. Great day. Jeff, what do you got? Did you jump in the hood? Jared, I know you jumped in the hood. What's up? Give me some feedback. Looking for Dominic. Well, you got 2 minutes. You got 2 minutes. Jump in there, because the hood was going. So we got out at 3% up. It is now 2.92% up. It has done a pullback a little bit. Has not done the pivot though. So it's still pulling back. We definitely got out at the right time. We got up 3%. We called it a day at 105. I have no more bullets in the chamber. Feeling good about this. Couple pizzas, couple beers. Feeling good today. That is what you know. What I'm not feeling good about the market today. Clearly feeling good about YOLO Hour. There is SLI. Why don't I just? I should. So I had an option on SLI. I was up like 140, and I got out, and it's still look at the stock. Yeah, you kind of see what I got into. 108 in 3 months, and it did me well. But I got out. I was like, I want to say 92% up is what I was. 90, maybe 94% up. And we just went. That is it. That is the close. Ding, 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 ding. Dude, it's so funny because Bloomberg, every day, you got to hear, like, they want you to hear the bell, right? Like, I don't need to hear the bell. Nobody needs to hear the most annoying clanging sound of a bell being beat, beat like your grandmother used to with the switch, whatever, all right, that is it. Are there any questions on YouTube before I switch over to TikTok and do some technical analysis? Because it was, hey, Jeff Klein, great day. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being the first on here. And the TRKA did us well, baby. We finished 105 up. Nice. YOLO hour for the Maddox man here. Nice for Jeff Klein as well, too, because I know he was up. Jared, thank you for being here, sir. Dean Rivera, yo. Thank you for being here. Next time, let me know if you find a rocket, and we'll put it up on the screen and talk about you a little bit. Kimberly, thank you very much. VGFC was very, very close, and I appreciate you commenting on the YOLO hour from yesterday. I remember those things. Dominic, always a pleasure. You missed it, but same time, same place, same channel tomorrow. That's kind of the way it's going to be. I'll be here next week too, and then after that might get a little dicey. Might be going down to Florida just before it gets cold. So, but I will be here this week and next week for sure. So with that being said, guys, on the YouTube, I appreciate you guys. I really do. It's a lot of fun. Look, I do it for you, but I also do it a lot for me, and I have a lot of fun. And clearly, you guys know that I can talk forever. Because when I first jump on, there's nobody on, and I'm literally talking to myself, and I'm saying the exact same things that I would say to you guys. It does not change. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you. Again, thank you very much. Thank you for the support. And with that being said, guys, watch your six. You go hard in the paint. We will see you next time, YouTube. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jeff Klein. Great.